Hello and welcome to the first lecture from this course on how to use Groovefunnels, a free web application which allows you to build funnels. Basically how to use it for free in order to start building your own funnels, sell your own products, do affiliate marketing, or whatever type of online business that you need funnels for, which is basically absolutely any type of business. You can use funnels for any type of business, and this is a great app that you can have in your arsenal and use it for free if you wanted to start your first businesses online. So first things first, what you need to do is go ahead on Groovefunnels, and I will just type here on Google so you guys can see exactly where it is. Groovefunnels.com. Just one second please. Okay, groovefunnels.com, official site, home, login, support. We just have to go on home, which is Groove Pages, log in. One second, and we can see here that this is the login page. Okay, app.groovefunnels.com. Now we don't have an account yet, so what we need to do is click on the sign up button, and the pop-up will show up for us, where we have to put our details. Okay, and you will see that at the end of the pop-up we have Groovefunnels free, one-time payment of 0. Okay, I agree to the terms. Click on get free access and you will basically get access to everything. So this is the first step that you need to do, is to create your account on app.groovefunnels.com, and I will see you in the next lecture where we are going to discuss about the dashboard and the options and features that Groovefunnels have for you. Thank you for watching.